cutting down the side right here and then inserting it in. And there you have him.
Look
There
at
he
that.
is.
Look at that. Big round of applause. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it
That's
cute?
awesome. He looks great.
There's your
Yeah.
cute little owl piñata cake.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Tami Utley. Yay, that was
that
awesome.
easy? Was that easy?
Easy.
You want to cut
Wow. Piñata owl. A pink owl.
it? Yep.
So obviously that's from the
Nothing.
the pink owls. Are they live in the or
Give me a break.
In the pink. in
Look,
the
I
pink
can
land.
put these
I
little
think it's
hearts
adorable.
on his chest. I could put little hearts on his
Adorable.
chest.
There we go. Yeah, now the comments are flying in. It's good.
Look, I could put little heart thingies on his little pink hearts.
That's so cute. Okay.
Knife.
Serrated.
Hold the wafer paper because it'll rip through the wafer paper. Okay. And you can feel the knife hit the candies, so it's not a big deal.
You can feel the candies on the inside.
Yeah,
of
you can
course,
feel
yeah.
the candies on the inside. Okay, so I'm just holding the wafer paper down so I don't destroy it while I'm cutting it because we are going to need a picture. Well,
Okay. So a serrated knife is the
is
ticket.
the best, yeah.
There we go.
And I'll just
Okay.
snip that. There. Bill. Yeah, you know those pictures they have where they show it spilling on the inside and it's perfectly on the slice? Yeah, they've taken the candy and stuffed it back on there because there's no way it's going to come out like that.
Yeah.
Let me make sure I got it cut on the top too. Okay. All right.
That's awesome.
There you go. And see what they did for the photos is they got it spilling out
Right.
and they'll take,
Oh,
because
yeah,
you
they'll
want to
doctor
see
it
the
up.
spill.
Sure. They'll doctor it up.
And then you doctor it up like this, so it looks like that's how they do that.
That looks great.
So
Great.
there you have it. There's
Thank
a
you.
piñata cake. Yay! Fun.
Good. Thanks, gang. Thank you so much. You guys got to go out and try this. It looks it's adorable. I'm seeing it here live, and it's really cute, and it looks like it really couldn't be much easier, and yet it's got candy on the inside, and that's just adorable. Huge round of applause. Thank you so much, Tami.
Thanks, everyone.